Seamless Gutters for Less, your trusted gutter installation experts in Sammamish, Washington. Our team is dedicated to providing top-quality seamless gutter installations that protect your home and enhance its curb appeal. We use state-of-the-art equipment to custom-fit each gutter to your home, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Our seamless gutters are designed to prevent leaks and blockages, directing rainwater away from your home to protect your foundation and landscaping. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, Seamless Gutters for Less guarantees customer satisfaction and long-lasting results. It is not just us saying we are the best, our customers say it too. We have over 240 reviews and our customers have given us all 5 stars. Upgrade your home's protection with our durable and stylish Seamless Gutters, available in a variety of colors to match your home perfectly. Call Seamless Gutters for Less today for a free estimate and see why we're Sammamish's go-to gutter experts. Your home deserves the best protection, the best craftsmanship, and the best customer service. At Seamless Gutters for Less, we take pride in delivering all 3.